Hello and good morning, everyone. I am Neeraj, and this is my second video on SSB Talks. So, today I'll be discussing how to speak a fluent English in the SSB. So, first of all, the students who are going for their SSB, it's very important to know the basic language, and in whatever the language you speak, your idea and objective should be clear. It's not necessarily that you should know English, because by the time you reach academy they will train you as a gentleman cadet, and when you will start living up that life you automatically learn this language, because it's a kind of a personality trait, and it can be trainable. So I would suggest, as the competition is rising in SSB day by day, and earlier there used to be like the reporting of candidates would be around 100 and 150 in CDS entries. Likewise, in the direct entries there are more number of candidates are coming, so the competition is rising. So in order to stand out in that competition very much differently, you should know the language very much. So today we are going to focus on these areas, some of the areas which will really help you to know and how to speak very fluent language. So the first point, if you want to learn and practice this language, you need to read. First and foremost thing, you need to inculcate this thing in your habit, that you need to start reading. Reading would be like anything, whatever your interests are. You can start from a small storybook, from a magazine, from a newspaper, and it's very good for the people who will start reading the newspaper in their life, because it's really going to help them. The second point is, start practicing with your peer group, with your friends, with your family members. Okay, try to have a conversation with them, so that whatever the faults are coming out, your doubts are there, you can communicate with them. You can consult your teachers, your colleagues, wherever you're working. So that is the second thing. The third thing, you can start watching movies. That is really one of the best thing which really helped me up. You can read out the head lines which are been highlighted in the movies. You can start listening to the music, and it's very good if you participate in the competitions in the school level, at the college level, wherever you are studying, because it will automatically give you a boost, and it will enhance your skills, and that's really another point of view to increase your confidence in the language. The fourth thing is, to when whatever and whenever you try to read or summarize into your brain, start speaking it out. And the best thing is to do is start a mirror reading. When you stand in front of a mirror, your confidence, and you can see your own expression, that is going to help you up more and more. And the last thing, which is very much important, okay, it's not necessarily that having English makes your making will be making or selecting depending on your selection. No, that's not the case. The last point is, you need to think that it's there in you. Okay, the moment you will think this way, the confidence will come automatically in you. So all these 5 points, jot down all these 5 points and start practicing, start doing it, start implementing them in your life, and you will definitely see the change. For more videos for other topics, I'll be making and covering up in my next video series. Thanks for watching this. Thank you.